If you're dreaming of a brand new home near Phoenix that's not only gorgeous, but actually smart, this one's gonna blow you away. Welcome to Radiance at Superstition Vistas here in Apache Junction, where DR Horton homes come with a built-in smart home system. That means you can control your lights, your locks, your thermostat, and even your garage door right from your phone. Imagine pulling up after work with your lights on, AC set to your favorite temperature, and doors unlock with just one tap. That's what I call smart desert living. Hey, I'm Megan Williams with Blue Collar Homes, your go-to East Valley realtor who actually worked for a builder, so I know behind-the-scenes secrets. Today, we're taking you inside the incredible smart home surrounded by mountain views and Arizona's signature desert landscaping. Let's go take a look and see why this community is quickly becoming one of the most talked about places to live near Phoenix.
Today we're walking through the Caroline plan at Radiance at Superstition Vistas in Apache Junction. This is one of DR Horton's most popular single-story homes, designed for buyers who want functionality, style, and a community full of amenities, all wrapped into one package. The Caroline offers around 1,536 square feet of living space. It's a single-level home, so no stairs, and it features 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and a 2-car garage. Pricing currently runs from the low to mid 420s up into the 430s, depending on the lot, elevation, and any upgrades you choose. As you step inside, you'll immediately notice how open this plan feels. The living, dining, and kitchen areas all flow together, creating the perfect space for family life and entertaining. The kitchen comes with plenty of counter space, modern appliances, and often a walk-in pantry. There are upgrade options available too, so you can customize cabinetry, flooring, or finishes to match your personal style. It's designed to feel modern but practical, so you get beauty without sacrificing function. The primary suite is located privately off the back of the home and comes with its own ensuite bath, dual sinks, and a walk-in closet. It's spacious enough to be a true retreat while keeping the flow of the house compact and efficient. The 2 secondary bedrooms are roomy and versatile, whether you need guest space, kids' rooms, or a dedicated home office. Step outside, and you'll find a covered patio that extends your living space outdoors, perfect for those Arizona evenings when the Superstition Mountains glow at sunset. Like all new DR Horton homes, the Caroline is built with energy-efficient features such as insulated windows and efficient appliances, which means lower utility bills and year-round comfort. So, to recap, the Caroline plan gives you a functional and stylish single-story layout with 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, energy-efficient construction, and modern features. It's part of a community that offers incredible amenities, great location, and stunning Superstition mountain views. And with pricing starting in the low 400s, it's one of the most approachable new construction options in the East Valley right now. If you're ready to tour the Caroline or explore other homes here in Radiance or in other Valley communities, reach out to me. I'll make sure you know your options, get the best deal possible, and enjoy a smooth, stress-free experience buying your new construction home. Let's take a look at the Amber plan at Radiance at Superstition Vistas in Apache Junction, a single-story home by DR Horton that's perfect for anyone looking for stylish, efficient living without sacrificing comfort. Whether you're downsizing, buying your first home, or just want an easy-to-maintain space in a community packed with amenities, the Amber might be exactly what you've been searching for. This plan gives you about 1,330 square feet of living space with 3 bedrooms, 2 full bathrooms, and a 2-car 2-car garage. On some lots, you can even upgrade to a 3-car garage if you need extra storage or room for toys. Right now, pricing typically runs from the low 410s to the mid 420s, depending on location, features, and upgrades. That makes it one of the most approachable entry points into Radiance at Superstition Vistas. Step inside and you'll immediately notice the flow. The Amber is designed with an open concept, so the great room, dining space, and kitchen all connect seamlessly. It makes the home feel larger than its square footage, and it's perfect for entertaining, family movie nights, or casual dinners. The kitchen is modern and functional with a central island, plenty of counter space, and energy-efficient appliances. There's also a pantry to keep everything organized, and you'll have upgrade options for cabinetry, flooring, and finishes if you want to personalize your space. The primary suite is generously sized, with a private ensuite bathroom featuring dual sinks, a walk-in shower, and a large walk-in closet. The 2 additional bedrooms are flexible, whether you need them for kids, guests, a home office, or even a hobby room. There's also a dedicated laundry room, tucked neatly off the main hallway for convenience. And of course, no Arizona home is complete without outdoor living. The Amber comes with a covered back patio, giving you a perfect spot to relax, enjoy the fresh air, and take in those legendary Superstition mountain sunsets. Energy-efficient construction, including dual-pane windows and modern HVAC, means you'll stay comfortable while keeping utility costs in check. If you're ready to tour the Amber, explore other homes in Radiance, or find this same floor plan in another part of the valley, reach out to me. I'll make sure you know all your options, help you get the best deal, and make your new construction experience smooth and stress-free. Looking for a spacious 2-story home in Arizona that blends function, comfort, and mountain views? This home is designed for families who want plenty of room upstairs while keeping the main floor wide open for gathering, entertaining, and everyday living. The Grace offers just under 2,000 square feet of living space with 4 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, and a 2-car garage. All 4 bedrooms are located upstairs, giving you extra privacy and keeping the main floor dedicated to family time. Pricing right now typically ranges from the mid 450s to the high 460s, depending on lot, upgrades, and incentives from the builder. As you step inside, you're greeted with an open main floor layout. The living and dining areas flow seamlessly into a modern kitchen with plenty of counter space, stainless steel appliances, and a central island that's perfect for entertaining or casual meals. There's also a convenient powder bath on the main floor, along with storage tucked into smart spots, so the home stays organized and functional. Head upstairs and you'll find all the bedrooms together, along with a laundry room right where you need it most. The primary suite includes an ensuite bath with dual sinks and a walk-in shower, plus a spacious walk-in closet. The secondary bedrooms are well-sized and versatile, whether you need them for kids, guests, or even a home office. Step outside and you'll enjoy a covered patio that makes the most of Arizona evenings. Energy-efficient windows and construction help keep utility costs down while making the home comfortable year-round. So that's the Grace plan at Radiance at Superstition Vistas, a spacious 2-story layout with open living downstairs, all bedrooms upstairs, smart home technology, modern finishes. If you're ready to tour the Grace or see what else is available here in Radiance, reach out to me. I'll help you unlock the best deals, avoid common mistakes, and make your home buying journey smooth and stress-free. And here's something important to know. Every Caroline, including the Amber, the Grace comes with the Home is Connected Smart package, which includes features like a video doorbell, smart thermostat, smart switches, and an Amazon Echo Pop. That means you can control your home right from your phone, giving you peace of mind and modern convenience. Living at Radiance at Superstition Vistas means you get more than just a home. This master-planned community is packed with amenities: a resort-style pool and splash pad, a clubhouse and modern fitness center, playgrounds and parks, walking trails, fire pits, pavilions, and plenty of open green space. It's a community designed to bring people together, all set against the backdrop of the Superstition Mountains. And location is another win. You're in Apache Junction, right on the border of Mesa and Queen Creek, with quick access to US 60 for commuting into Phoenix, Chandler, or Gilbert. You're also close to shopping, dining, and entertainment, and families here are zoned to the Apache Junction Unified School District, with Desert Vista Elementary, Cactus Canyon Junior High, and Apache Junction High nearby. Now, before you head straight to the builder, here's something important. I actually worked for the builder before becoming a full-time realtor, so I know their incentives, upgrades, lot selection strategies, and yes, even their sales tactics. My job now is to use that insider knowledge to protect you and help you save. That means I can negotiate closing costs, guide you through upgrade decisions, help you secure the best lot, and make sure you're not caught off guard by high-pressure sales. Plus, I often know about inventory before it even hits the public. So what does it cost to live here? As of right now, the Grace plan runs between about $455,000 and $470,000 depending on lot and finishes. And with builder incentives like reduced interest rates or closing cost credits, many buyers are finding their monthly payments on a brand new Grace home are actually lower than what they'd pay for a resale in the same price range.
If you're thinking about buying new construction and don't want to go at it alone, remember the sales rep works for the builder, not for you. As a former builder's rep myself, turned realtor, I know exactly how to get you the best deal with the most incentives. So if you're ready to make a smart move, literally, give us a call or text. And don't forget to hit that thumbs up, subscribe, and follow along for more East Valley home tours every single week.